Hello and welcome to the sleep only timer demo. When you go to bed, the app is going to remember the sound that you used last time. So if you just want to play that again, you click the play button in the status menu, and it'll resume playing what it played the night before. And then to set the timer, you click the third icon from the left, the settings icon. And you can see it's currently set to 7 hours and 30 minutes. You can set it for whatever you want. You can set it for many hours, or just for a few minutes, or for an hour for a nap, whatever you'd like to do. You click the set timer button and it starts counting down. Also, if you go back and look at the status pane here on the main menu, it'll show that there's how much time is left before the timer goes off. When the timer does go off, it'll slowly go off. It won't just abruptly stop, it won't click, it won't pop. It takes about a minute for it to completely fade to zero, and then it'll go off. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.